Good morning, YouTube. So this is how I made $962 today trading on ES. I made decent trade. It's not my typical entry, so we did de-risk today. I still waiting to go to the full risk trades, but I mean something like this comes up today. I didn't want to risk fully on it. I kind of wanted to be bearish as well, so that was kind of had something to do with it. But basically, market open, and we already started coming down just before market opened, and then market opens and we start moving up just a little bit. So this gap right here, I mean it's a 5-minute gap, but it's also a 15-minute inverse, or not inverse, just regular for value gap. So we came in here and we respected this, and we started getting a little bit of move up, and then we came down and we swept the 5-minute highs that were created here, or lows. Wow, I am not able to speak right now. So we basically, for value gap filled, swept, and then we broke structure on the 5-minute here, which is what I was waiting to see. So basically, I kind of took this trade. You can kind of think of it as my normal setup, except for we didn't get a 15-minute or hourly sweep. I kind of more based it off of 5-minute sweep plus 15-minute gap here, because I did like how it nicely filled this gap and then started moving up and then broke structure. So, and we're really getting close on ES. It was the SMT because NASDAQ didn't even hit this high yet. So I was really looking, and like, wow, we're getting pretty close to this high. I might as well. This is gonna be the first move that's gonna be made today. I mean, I kind of wanted some shorts. I kind of wanted to wait for this to get hit and then see some short setup and then take a short here. But I knew like this is gonna be the first move that's gonna be made. It's not gonna start moving down without sweeping this. The setup's right here. This is what's looking best. So at that point, we're a 5-minute structure, just looking for a 1-minute break. And so we broke structure here, and I wanted a better risk reward because this candle up here, we're looking like we're already in 5-minute bullish structure. I didn't even realize. When did that candle close? Yeah, it's another thing is I could have got an even better risk reward. That's been happening a lot recently. I've actually not noticed that I've been too focused on the 5-minute structure, less on the 1-minute structure, and I think it was partially because it wasn't like the most peak entry or setup, I guess. So I was kind of delaying myself just to like, oh, I want to see another candle up and make sure it's looking bullish. Well, I don't know. I should have, since we're in a 5-minute or 1-minute bullish structure anyways, I should have got a little bit sooner of an entry, could have had a better risk reward on this. But basically kind of waited. This candle broke structure, even though it already broke structure, just continued structure. And then this next one was up really high, so we didn't get a good risk reward for that. I put a limit order in here for this was like a 2R or 1.9 to this target, and then I moved it just slightly up to the 2. And we put a limit order in. We got that retrace, tapped in, perfect 1.9 R entry to the target, and we wick in, and then we start moving up, smacked right away, and then we took out at 2R. We're at all-time highs here, so I didn't really want to kind of guess anything to go off of for a different take profit. I mean, we'd be at like a 6R right now, but I mean, there's nothing like, I don't know, I'm gonna target. I mean, I can kind of guess like, oh, I can go until NASDAQ hits this, but at the same time, who knows? Who knows if this is gonna tap this and we're gonna continue with the SMT and then we're gonna reverse. I didn't want to take that risk. I'm on a 6 winning streak now, so that is awesome. So I didn't want to be greedy or anything like that and being on a win streak, so I was totally fine with pulling out here at the only high that I can really target. Who knows, it might just keep rallying up today, but I'm not gonna try to achieve some insane RR today. I'm just gonna be content with what I could make here at a solid 2 RR, and I mean, I'm happy. We're on a really good win streak. We're up 10R on the month, which is insane. That'd be so we'd be at a 10K month right now if we're at full risk the entire time. But I mean, that losing streak kind of threw me off, and then yesterday's trade being half risk accidentally, and then some of these not peak setups that I want to go half risk on just because I don't love them. So pretty good. We're up 3,500 roughly on the month. Pretty solid. Very happy with it. But I'm gonna go to bed now, get a couple hours of sleep, and then get through my 13-hour shift at work, and then from there, my couple days off, I'm gonna be grinding and getting some more work in, preparing for next week, whatever next week brings for us. I will get a video out this weekend. I promise I will get a video out this weekend on something, not exactly sure yet, but some sort of trading topic or mindset topic. So stay tuned for that. Do something to become 1% better today, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.